How's it going? Here it is, the first cut for the MS880 on the Alaskan mill. I got these rails set up on this log. It's about a 32-inch diameter log, and if you look closely, look how even the rails got. It was kind of difficult to set up these Granberg rails, but it makes it nice because then you could adjust everything with these screws here. So you could adjust the level and make sure that it's smooth all the way across the top. So this is the 9-foot rail, and then here's a 5-foot rail. So you connect them together, and I'm able to mill. Let's see what I do with my tape measure. I'm able to mill. You have it? So with these rails, I'm able to mill along a log that is right at 12 foot 6 inches long. And you could go a little farther, but what I did was I set these cross members here in far enough that when you set the mill on top, that you could at least get both of the rails on it to make sure and start your cut nice and evenly. So I'm gonna get the saw warmed up, and I'll turn you guys back on when we begin our first cut. We're gonna start at that side and come downhill. That side's a little bit higher, so we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, here we go. See what I mean? I set these crossbars inside. That way, when we set the saw up, both of these rails, thickness rails, are on the on this frame. That way you start a nice and level cut this way. So here we go. You ready? Yeah, dude. Hey, 880 for the win, man. My 661 would have had a hard time cutting that whole piece. That was legit. Cool. All right, let's take this guy off. Hold on. Okay, we're ready for the unveil. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, that's all right. Awesome. Let's brush her off and take a look. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at all this right here.
Wow.
Look at the different coloring in this guy. The red staining right there. Yeah. Cool. We got a little bit of punky wood right here, but I think once we take another cut off of it, we're probably going to take a 2 1/4 inch cut off the bottom, or off this, and then we'll slowly get through all this stuff here. But there's still a lot of good usable wood all in this, so we're going to reset the saw and cut again.
See the red light? There we go.
That makes a big difference.
Way better, huh?
Oh yeah, way better. What the hell? Oh, we hit that little notch right there. Yeah. Cool. What's that?
Needs a lick.
Does it?
I think so.
Yeah, probably. Probably gonna have to touch up the chain again. So that was the third cut. So, anyways. I like it. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh, there we go. Look at that.
That is just gorgeous.
Starting to get really good grain right through here too. Sweet.